Good morning. Yesterday, the Indian markets finally ended the session on a positive note. After being range bound for over 13 sessions, the market finally spurred and surged to 0.8% at the day's close. This was further followed by the small cap and the mid cap counters, which surged over 0.7% and 0.8% respectively. Yesterday's rally was mainly on account of the banking stocks and the capital goods stocks, with the finance minister laying emphasis on growth in the union budget, along with the weak IIP and WPI data that were released for the December and January quarter. Bank stocks surged yesterday on expectations that there will be no rate hike in the upcoming monetary policy on April 1st. This led to a surge in all the banking stocks, where frontliners such as Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank and IndusInd Bank surged in excess of 4%, 4.5%, 2% and 2% respectively. Capital goods segment also surged yesterday in over 2.1% after the union budget helped them see a cut in the excise to 8% from 12% earlier. The US markets ended the day on a marginally positive note, following the global cues which were strong yesterday. The US markets were closed on Monday on account of the preceding day. Coming to news for today's session, Hero MotoCorp and Honda motorcycles have slashed the prices of their products by 4,500 and 7,500 respectively, following the excess duty cut on two-wheelers from 12% to 8%. NCDEX has decided to slash transaction charges on non-derivable commodities. NCDEX will now charge rupees 1.95 per lakh of turnover on certain goods like refined soya oil, soya bean and castor seeds for average traded turnover of less than 200 crore. The charge will be further reduced to rupees 1.3 per lakh of turnover over and above the slab of 200 crore. NCDX has also slashed the charges to rupees 0.4 per lakh turnover for gold hedge, crude oil, palm crude oil and steel for average daily turnover of less than 50 crore. This is further reduced to rupees 0.3 per lakh turnover over and above the slab of 50 crore. Coming to today's session, the Asian markets were trading on a slightly negative note in the early morning trade, with the Singapore Nifty being almost flat in the morning session. The Indian markets are expected to be sideways for today's session. Major resistance and support levels for Sensex comes around the level of 20847 and 20606 levels, while major resistance and support levels for Nifty comes around the level of 6194 and 6119 levels. Thank you very much and happy investing.